Hey carpet cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I want to talk to you a little bit about why it's important to send advertising traffic for your carpet cleaning business to a separate landing page to your normal website. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as possible, not just survive, but thrive, whether that's through our one-on-one program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. So one thing that maybe not everybody understands is like a real difference between a website and a landing page. And they both have really important uses, and it's really important that you use each one in the right circumstances, right? So a website is what we would consider an internet web page, which has got multiple maybe menu items, several pages on it. It's a site, so it comprises of multiple elements, if you like. And so here's an example. Here, you know, we've got home, we've got all the different bits, we've got about us, we've got all the different services, carpet cleaning, tile and grout, pressure wash, we've got reviews, we've got the gallery, we've got contact us, and all of these different things. And from an organic, from like an SEO, like it's important to have, like, obviously as a business, as all businesses, a proper company website that contains all of this stuff. This is your like representation of your business online, and if people search for you and you come up organically, or if people go on your Instagram and they want to find out more about all the different kind of services that you offer and stuff like that, having a website is absolutely imperative. And so yeah, here's the typical example of a website. Now let's talk about landing pages. What's the difference between a website and a landing page? A landing page is basically one page. That's why it's not called a website, that's why it's called a landing page. It has like one page, it doesn't have all of these items and different menu options on there. It's just one page, and the purpose of a landing page is to get you to take action on something. And typically a landing page is used when it comes to not the organic stuff, but a landing page is used when it comes to paid advertising. And let me just try and make this really simple. So like imagine you're running Facebook ads or Google ads, and when somebody clicks on that ad, it takes them to like your website. And this guy's website is pretty damn cool, pretty good, but let's say your website isn't that great. Let's say it's got lots of menu items and it's kind of confusing, and you've got somebody that clicks on an ad, Facebook, Google, and they come to the website, the traditional kind of website, and they're trying to find out how to get in touch with this person, and they kind of look here and there's it's not like a massively obvious, and they have to kind of scroll down, and then I have to send a message, and then they have to kind of work their way through this. Okay, it's contact us, and there's a few steps that they need to go to. Whereas the idea of a landing page is that we want to make it as easy as possible for somebody to take a next step. Because typically if somebody's just browsing, they've just organically searched or whatever, then yeah, they're information gathering, so they want to check all this stuff out. But if they've clicked on an ad, that's somebody that's really looking to take that next step. If they've clicked an ad with an offer, or somebody that really wants to schedule now. And so the idea of the landing page is that it makes it as easy as humanly possible with as minimal distractions, because all of these different options and reading about stuff is a distraction. We want to make it as easy as possible to take a next step. So let's look at the landing page version of this. So here we are, same company, it's a client of ours. We're actually working on Google Ads for this right now. And the first thing that comes up, button, call. And you click that button and it's going to call that phone number. Or you can click this button and request a call back. And that's it. It's really simple. This is the carpet cleaning business. Here's the offer. We'll put some scarcity in there, and it's click that button and call. There's no distractions. There's no menu items. There's no stuff that's gonna take you off the beaten track and down some rabbit hole, and then you kind of end up not calling or whatever. It's boom, click the ad, come to here, call this number, and get scheduled in. And so that's why it's important that if you're running ads to a website or whatever, have it set up to a separate landing page that is designed with one purpose and one thing only: to generate you phone calls and get your phone ringing off the hook. And if we scroll down here, there's like a little bit of info, but look how simple it is. This is designed to generate phone calls, okay? Easy. You click that button and the phone rings, and that's it, and that's all there is. So this is something that I want you guys to bear in mind. You know, if you are running Google Ads yourself, you may want to think about setting up a separate landing page, and the sole purpose of that landing page is to generate you phone calls. And there's a number of different landing page builders out there. You can do it yourself. There's like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, and a number of different ones. But yeah, hopefully that's given you a little bit more of an insight into the difference between websites and landing pages, and in which circumstances that you should use each one. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head to the description of this video where you'll find all the necessary information. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.